Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down, Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down, he leads me on my way. Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down, Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down, Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down, he leads me on my way. So I've no doubt to open up your sight there. Be strong and shine your light here. Oh yes, you got to conquer the fight here. When you think Jah is absent, Jah is right there. The Almighty show it all things. The Almighty know it all things. The Almighty grow it all things. Let the blessing flow on all things, yeah. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. He leads me on my way. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jah never let me down, no. Never let me down. He leads me on my way. And when I'm going through hard times, He made me strong from the first time. I'm so glad I was born, now I'm my time. The whole world sees the sign. When He speak, we comprehend. And He's the only source we can depend on. The faith of the nation He defending. He'll try to praise, no pretending. Whoa. The Almighty show it all things. The Almighty know it all things. The Almighty grow it all things. But the blessing all things, yeah. Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down. He leads me on my way. Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down. Jaja never let me down, no. Never let me down. He leads me on my way. Hey, I'm a victim of the system. Break free, stay free. Let me hail the King. The family reunion is needed. I was the future. Not to see down to treat us like no stranger. 400 years of Babylon. Now is the time to rise and free them black man and show them the danger. Down to treat them like no stranger. They're the rulers from creation. This is the Black Royal Sovereign Nation. Queen Elizabeth slave house. Across the ocean, John Pope trader. And they could never take away, now get away when Prince Emmanuel gave them. To sell us them paraders. Come and tell me about them Jesus. And all them lynching, pinching, King Selassie I save us. That was the danger. Down to treat us like no stranger. 400 years of Babylon. Now is the time to rise and free them black man and show them the danger. Down to treat them like no stranger. Because they're the rulers from creation. This is the Black Royal Sovereign Nation. The government know the truth, but they got an attitude and try to kill the saints who come for the multitude. That this is majesty, and I think that's very rude for black people to work so hard. You see, they got no gratitude. How you get cotton, how you get tin, how you get a language fear up with your name, how you get gold, diamond, pearl, how you get so many beautiful boys and girls, how you get riches, how you get fame, how you get your knowledge, from whence do you came? You stole all things from Africa. Show us the danger, down to treat us like no stranger. 400 years of Babylon. Now is the time to rise and free the black man and show them the danger. Down to treat them like no stranger. Because they're the rulers from creation. This is the Black Royal Sovereign Nation.
With my eyes and the praise, none of them can go round me. None catch up on the strap for them drown me. Selassie I done safe and sound me. Them jealous how the whole world crown me. Well them a try figure around me. None catch up on the strap for them drown me. The powers of the Most High surround me. Them vex through the whole world crown me. Alright, When them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, and tell the youths them don't go astray. When them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, give thanks we see a shining there. Yeah, them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, for the youths them education no decay. When them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, and I plant more food than I declare. Well see them now, after me sit up, well and then me observe. So me burn up anything when I love herb. This moral breakdown is getting absurd. Me say rise up from your slumber on the slug nerve. None of them whistling like that bird. Forward we going off go backward. Find out them mentally awkward. I trace like woman that drop at word. When them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, until the youth them don't go astray. When them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, give thanks we see a shining day. Yeah, them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, for the youth them education no decay. When them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, and I plant more food than I declare. But see them know that the abundance of water only get them rock damp. But the mad scientists and the mad vamp, grabbing a barrel, stabbing a back, only burn bad lamp. Show them one the youth them life it get stagnant. Can't stop the youth them from pull through. Them have been up them face with a full screw. We tell them see the entourage and the full crew. Fire span a full screw. I will stand and fight and defend equal rights. I will stand for justice every day and night. I will stand and fight and defend equal rights. Cause I will stand for justice every day and night. Some go so yo,
it's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. It's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truth and rights. Keep on shining your light. I was born a thug, I would take my slug and shed your blood. But the most I had sent is love, and it's around my heaven like a dove. Now it makes me strong, I'm not nervous. As a black man, I gotta find my true purpose. Pay respect to the elders, it's courteous. And to the little children, be courteous. And it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. It's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truths and rights. Keep on shining your light. Keep doing good, there is no other way. The good you do leads you to another day. Oh please, read your Bible every day and listen what the rest of I really got to say. And say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And say it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truths and rights. Keep on shining your light. Some people know being stupid, just dying themselves. Guns, bombs, disease, drugs, destroying themselves. Seems they've got no job. I pray almost die every day for them to find themselves. Keep doing good, there is no other way. The good you do leads you to another day. Oh please, read your Bible every day and listen what the rest of I really got to say. And say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud.
Misguided our youth, misled us from the truth, told us a lie. Started up new things on my mind, time after time, just to take everything that is mine. What more do you want from me? You Mr. Wicked Man, you can't get away. For all the wrongs you've done, you must have to pay. for all the innocent people that suffered and died. And though you hear them crying, you never wink your eye. You distorted our moods, misguided our youth, misled us from the truth, told us a lie. Started up stupid tricks on my mind, time after time, just to take everything that is mine. What more do you want from me? You build your skyscrapers, write what you want in your papers, manipulate the society to downpress the poor and needy. You think you are untouchable, but you'll be held accountable for all the innocent blood that's on your head. You done started our moods, misguided our youth, misled us from the truth, told us a lie. Started up stupid tricks on my mind, time after time, just to take everything that is mine. What more do you want? You done started our roots, misguided our youth, misled us from the truth, told us a lie. Started a from day to day I face this struggle. Still I got to stay alive. Temptation cometh on a double. Still I know I must survive. People ask me how I make it, but with strong faith we all can do it. With God in my heart, I am willing to play my part. He is forever my resort. Oh God, Jah will always see me through. Turns my gray skies into blue. Well, Jah will always make things work out right. Yes, everything will be alright with Jah here inside. By the sweat of my brow I eat my bread. Yes, I work hard and push on ahead. I live a life of honesty, knowing one day I'll see victory. Oh yeah, Jah will always see me through. Yes, turn my gray skies into blue. Jah will always make things work out right, and everything will be alright with Jah here inside. I will rise early in the morning and give thanks for all my blessings, yes, knowing that Jah is good to me. True love and mercy I receive. Oh, true love, yes.
So family, got to stay alive. So we work to the best of our ability. Okay. Everyone is looking for a better way out. No one wanna suffer, no one wanna stay out. Such is life, you got to go do something. You surely inspire the young and the upcoming. Some people think they could get all the work, so they sit and idle and they don't wanna work. You know what's right, you do what's best for you. All I've got is love and respect for you. Heart, mind and soul, children aim for your goal. The very young and the old, Jah protect us all. Heart, mind and soul, aim for your goal. The very young and the old, Jah protect us all. And why does people turn from Jah? Stupid and they won't they learn from Jah because of foolish ways and cruel anger. They were scattered all amongst the strangers. Homeless children children having no parents, no one to love, care, nor educate them. I hope and pray that doesn't turn to crime. Where can they stay? For them no place provide. Heart, mind, and soul. Children ain't for your goal. The very young and old, Jah protect us all. Yeah. Heart, mind, and soul. Children ain't for your goals. The very young and old, Jah protect us all. Don't try to deceive me, no. Don't try to mislead me. Keep your head high and be strong. No one but Jah knows where you're coming from. Won't have my blessing and lose it. First fruit is a golden opportunity. Heart, mind, and soul. Children ain't for your goals. The very young and old, Jah protect us all. Heart, mind, and soul. Jah protect us all. Children ain't for your goals. Glory to the old. Don't you know? Rather not be hypnotized, yeah. I've been told to love the truth and hate the lies. Oh, take control of my life, just can't deny. Silver and gold is not all, though they glitter before your eyes. Still trying to say, be a man, learn to face your responsibilities, yeah. Help a friend and keep looking out for your family. Make a change for the better of the world, yeah. And nothing strange, we're all equal on this earth. Ooh, I got to praise Jah, I got to praise Jah, I got to praise Jah. That is how I see my way. People got insult for me, even when I got no food to eat, no clothes to wear, nowhere to sleep. Nobody wants to show you love. Please don't keep your head above. Suffering down in the slum, and I'm gonna put you one day to come. Righteousness, I'll leave it up. I said I ain't gonna give it up. Ain't gonna say you being positive. Step away from your negative. Don't need yourself, just what you want. Make good use once you get the chance. Just think I is only guide. Keep loving by the riverside. I got to praise Jah, I got to praise Jah. Cause that is how I see my way out. I see my way out. I see my way out. Ooh, I got to praise Jah. I got to praise Jah. I got to praise Jah. That is how I see my way out. I see my way. That's how I see my way out.
They don't know. They don't know, oh boy. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Only you know, yeah. Only you know. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. They see the dancing, them see the performance. Enough people see me life and want one, but them no know say more time it look dormant. And them no see say on me belly me a crawl pan. Cause my mama just called me with tears in her eyes. She never know me have a stage show tonight. Not even she see the fears in my eyes. But me just a go and put on the show. Cause they don't know, yeah. They don't know. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Them no know, at the boiling sun, putting it on the street. Righteous music, me putting it on the beat. But nothing no righteous about how life set. If you no know hard life, then you no know life yet. Because my papa just call me poverty, make him a screw. Him never know, say me have an interview. But me still have to put on the show because they don't know. I said they don't know, yeah. They don't know. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Only you know, Chronixx. Only you know, yeah, yeah. Oh na na na. Oh na 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 na. Where you gonna run out at the Gideon Star? When all the money that they rob from ghetto youths ain't enough to fly you to Mars. When the system you defend start break down like a Lego. When the whole world becomes a ghetto, that's when you realize the whole of we are ghetto people. So tell me some about this slave, don't forget the people. Forget the people. Call them all. Remember Haile Selassie never left the people. No time at all, not even an inch. Oh no. Hey, give me a phone, a demaka ital, no grabber. Make me cool and start up on the rhythm proper. Every you tap, shut up at the zigzagger. Make me show you what a clock a strike in a jam racker. Politician, them a chat a tongue sharp like maca. Them not no vision, them a scammer. We a wave the banner, what kind of honor? Uno not treat the youths with honor. Let me show no vibes. Not true, you're living uptown. When the banks fall down, then the whole of we a get a youth. And me poor, you rich, but when the poles shift, then the whole of we a get a youth. And me black, you white, but when famine strike, then the whole of we a get a youth. On that day when you trade your Rolls Royce for a grain of rice, that's when you realize that the whole of we a get up people. Get up people. So tell me about this slave, don't forget the people. Get up people. Get up people. Get up people. Remember Haile Selassie never left the people. The people. Oh no, no. Oh yeah. Warning to all the future leader them. Don't treat the youth like a different creature them. Seek a friend before you need a friend. Those children in the streets are we teach them. Future soldiers and politicians, but I bet you cannot see it. Make me adjust your folly vision. Your eyes blurred by the guns and ammunition. So make me show no a vibe. When the night turn day, White House turn grey, then the whole of we a get a youth. And me walk, you drive, but when there's no oil, then the whole of we a get a youth. And when you can't tell Ligani different from Tivoli, then you see say we a get a youth. When you can't tell Everdale from downtown Parade, then you realize say the whole of we a get up people. Good Lord have mercy. Get up people. Oh no. Highly. Ah boy, never want me forever burning. Can you see when the tables turn? Me say I love her, I and I preaching. So every land of hate will burn. I was there when the ships came and chastised her in a Jesus' name. Wonder if me crazy, wonder if me sane, but the whole of Rome I go up in a flame. I know nothing to me walk in a room and start a fire. And I know nothing to me walk in a room and start a fire. God, them I wonder how a little African I go bundle me whole in a Vatican, but I know nothing to me walk in a room. Start a fire. I go home, the whole demographic. And when me talk, I mean no hypocritic. When me say Roma, I eat no geographic. But if I you feel wear the cap, then I you will have it. When me say roll me a talk about lion, I will Selassie, I the power of the giant. The eagle and the dragon and the bear a spit fire, but them can't overthrow the conquering lion. Listen to the voice of the people. Today Rome will burn. And not me alone, I over evil. Said today Rome will burn. No nothing for me walking a Rome and start a fire. Start a fire. Yes. No nothing for me walking a Rome and start a fire. Me say a fire. Because them a ask, oh a little African. I go ignite the whole in a Vatican. But I know nothing for me walking a Rome. Start a fire. Yes I know me alone. I call a come. Teflon a walk with the eye collar bun. And when you feel a earthquake shake down a ground. And a gun, a shades that a come. And I know nothing for me walking a room and start a fire. Start a fire. And I know nothing for me walking a room and start a fire. Start a fire. And them a ask, oh a little African. I go ignite the whole in a Vatican. And I know nothing for me walk in a room and start a fire. Start a fire. I'm say listen to the voice of the people. Today Rome will burn. And I'm me alone as a over evil. Say today Rome will burn. I'm say listen to the voice of the people. Today Rome will burn. And I'm me
Give them a loud, see them catching at the straw. Like them out for Jonah, would you? Give them a smile, or would you? Give them a frown? Or would you just stand there and watch them going down? Would you do something for them to let the table turn around? Talk it from me heart and me profound. Again, got to do something before it's too late. Got to do something and do something great. Get your act together and step up to the plate. And you'll Rastafari straight. Again, got to do something before it's too late. Got to do something and do something great. Get your act together and step up to the plate. And defend the human race. Let me tell you this. Shoulda know say Rastafari indigenous. Send the youths a college education, some saving up. Tell the farmer man, no giving up. Go until the silent plant keep digging up. Instill the morals, keep the youths them living up. Can't employ if you not develop. People say them need more money, now them envelope. No care of them and without them single up. Them suffering too long. Them suffering too long. Them suffering too long. The way you make it so hard, you're damn broad. You're pressuring them too long. You're suffering them too long. Them I feel it too long. Why you make it so hard? You're damn broad. I wanna name. Got to do something before it's too late. Got to do something and do something great. Get your act together and step up to the plate. And yell King Selassie I straight. Again, got to do something and do something great. Got to do something and do something straight. Get your act together and step up to the plate. And defend the human race. Oh, them say poverty a crime, it international and local. Can't stop my fire now, them can't take my vocal. As them get them vote, them get anti-social. Them eyes on my age, I know them warming global. So that system ya well it too awful. So me find out say Babylon not thoughtful. Come and run over, make them know say we artful. Help the people, them you better start pull. Them suffering too long. Them suffering too long. So what them a gonna do now? When you make it so hard, you're damn glad. Them suffering too long. Pressuring the people, them too long. Them a feel it too long. Why you make it so hard? You're damn broad. I want your name. Gotta do something before it's too late. Gotta do something and do something great. Get your act together and step up to the plate. And defend the human race.
Thank you, Jah. You make I live to see another day and still going strong. Thank you, Jah. You make I live to see so many years and remember where I'm coming from.
from. Alright, Jah bless us with the blessing and the empowerment. Jah thank you for the energy and thank you for the strength. You bless us from the essence of life with excellence. With self-determination, bless us with the confidence. Humility and tolerance with the diligence. Pagans them want to fight but them can't jump over my fence. Me tell them figure tense. No one them in our presence. Rastafari is the ultimate. Thank you, Jah, to make I live to see another day. I'm still going strong. Thank you, Jah, you make I live to see these months and years. I'm still going strong. Jah bless and second bless to you, them that have been exploited. Babylon make the ghetto youth, them get lighted. See them now, them get overexcited. So your class, them generation, yeah, as 5 piece. Thank you, Jah, come my future never been blighted. That's why I have to always give ISIS. Love when they get a youth, them rise with loving on them heart and say them like live the one they thank you, Jah. Green and gold, so I would I never ever lose my soul. Yeah,
all praise to the Most High, have a good life. No fear of God, job on my side. All praise to the Most High, do as you like. Your blessing keep us alive. All praise to the Most High, have a good life. No fear of God, job on my side. All praise to the Most High, do as you like. Your blessing keep us alive. For the righteous going up, but the wicked is going down. All the talk I keep leaving up. King Selassie, I wear the crown. There is no one else like that. You can search the whole wide world. Rastaman chant more fire. I tell you from early. All praise to the Most High, have a good life. No fear of God, job on my side. All praise to the Most High, do what you like. Your blessing keep us alive. All praise King Selassie, I live a good life. No fear of God, job on my side. All praise to the Most High, do what you like. Your blessing keep us alive. Don't you take too long to find yourself. Jah is a living man, oh yes. King Rastafari, no one else. Loving kindness, be of good health. Jah is still through all your stress. All your problems put away. And you should know you're very blessed. He's there for you every day. All praise to the Most High, have a good life. No fear of God, job on my side. All praise to the Most High, do as you like. Your blessing keep us alive. All praise to the Most High, have a good life. No fear of God, job on my side. All praise to the Most High, do as you like. Your blessing keep us alive. Some are just too ungrateful, never see what Jah has done. Others are just so hateful, fight you as your blessing come. Their evil never strike me one bit, because I know King Selassie I reign. They'll never get their evil wish. Rasta children rise up again. All praise to the Most High, have a good life. No fear of God, job on my side. All praise to the Most High, do as you like. Your blessing keep us alive. All praise to the Most High, have a good life. No fear of God, job on my side. Purpose is all of the goodness of Selassie. I trust in Jah shall have me the living life. There can't be no progress where there is violence. Can't be of knowledge someone or something else. Are you for the people? Are you for the love? I'm asking too much evil. Keep us in the mind. Let us fight the world. Let us fight the world. Let us fight the world. Save for the children. Fight the world. Let us fight the world. Let us fight the world. Save for the children. Make the world. Let us fight the world. Let us fight the world. Save for the children. Make the world. Let us fight the world. Let us keep your surroundings clean and make the people happy. This is your word. You make it what you want it to be. Know your choice of words. Whenever time you're talking to me, rich or poor, it really doesn't matter to me. Hey, the people are a system of the white column. Can't make a dollar and the leaders ain't no one to follow. It only takes you to make a difference. Be your person, no need for pretense. Let us fight the world. Let us fight the world. Let us fight the world. Save for the children. Fight the world. Let us fight the world. Let us fight the world. Save for the children. Make the world. Let us fight the world. Let us fight the world. Save for the children. Make the world. Let us fight the world. Let us fight the world. You're the only most time. Be a friend when you witness. Now for them get up and I go to church every day and do I'm the love and forgiveness. Yeah. Apple and banana.
You must sell information like food. Stew. Them not real, them a fake. Them no fit in a the zone. Not them biggest mistake. We have got take with them clown. Them not real, them a fake. Them no fit in a the zone. Not them biggest mistake. We have got well done. Big surprise. Them never know say that we know them a spies. I tell lies a disguise. Big surprise. Them never know say that we know them a spies. I tell lies a disguise. What's up with this little laddie? It seems like informing a him hobby. Never stop until him inform on the wrong smaddy. Here from over yonder, how much them find him body? They tell them low people business because feed them lifestyle don't eat no rigid. Them stupid, them a chat about them wicked. Run them out of the village. Now make them come to find the little kids. Big surprise. Them never know so that we know them as spies. I tell lies a disguise. Big surprise. Them never know so that we know them as spies. I tell lies a disguise. Them a sell information. Every minute them gone down a station. Then now who them a blackmail. Them a run them out like say them a fractal. Me know say smarty a pay them. Find out say them gone the other way then. Every day them a watch bout. Little more you see the boy them got chat bout. Yo, hey, big surprise. Them never know say that we know them as spies. I tell lies a disguise. Big surprise. Them never know say that we know them as spies. I tell lies a disguise. Them no real, them a fake. Them no fit in the zone. And them biggest mistake. Get them out of the town. Them no real, them a fake. Them no fit in the zone.
Sent by the king, watch them wandering when me fly down far. Twist step on the beast and kick down with him like a slide down bar. We burning the system, we tell the youths if we fight guns war. Uplifting me sister, tell us Selassie, I love Sar. We love Wally, Babylon the system falling. But this is just the beginning. Beginning of the grand finale. Finale because eventually we get the cause. So if we stand up tall and if we gang up cause united, we stand divided, we fall and we love. Whoa, oh, walk with the Prince of Peace, Selassie are the leader. Praises be to the kings of kings, Alpha and Omega. Oh, Selassie are the leader. Oh, Alpha and Omega. Guiltiness is on their face and bloodshed on their shoulders. Turn from your sinful way, yeah, before lightning strike all over. Well, if a atrocity where your cause and get to youth, then you have the audacity fi come give me gun fi shoot. And I chat how you like the city, well this is the ugly truth. When you bring all the guns come give me give it to my recruit. Big revolution, one time the guns them turn pon the old politician. We bring it come in the first place, I should have fun education. We make the youth them learn, instead of buy ammunition. And you want come run the next term, go run up under your bed. Boy, put your hand on your head. Me terrible and me dread, corrupted politician, feed. Want to pour all garden, don't active all the garden. Coming like a pre every garden, no revolution, reach every garden. Go put this up in the gleaner, me want it reach every reader. If you not live like Haile Selassie, you not fit for big Chronixx leader. Well, walk with the Prince of Peace, Selassie the leader. Praises be to the kings of kings, Alpha and Omega. Hear the children say, oh, 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 Selassie the leader. Well, oh, 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 Alpha and Omega. Well, never gonna stop until my people are free. As it was in the beginning, so shall it be. After the tables turn, give me the remedy, the fire figure blaze. Burn Babylon dirty way. Special eternal fire. Dirty Babylon, you a go get bruised. Me a want them fire. I said they just can't win, you're going lose. Me a want them. Pack up and walk, me I beg you move, yeah. I beg you pack up and walk. Me said the movement alive, Marcus said fi organize and centralize. Rasta fi own banks and enterprise. So me nah stop chanting, my soul enter Zion. Princes of fire, Babylon me tell you your time just expire. What kind of wickedness me or you transpire? And no gasoline and no tire. Eternal fire, dirty Babylon you a go get bruised. Me I want them fire. I said they just can't win, you're going lose. So we I want them. Move, yeah, move on. I beg you pack up and go. Me I tell you move, yeah, move on. I tell you pack up and go. Where them a go with a key and saltfish when better them give me a key and garlic. That's right. Pass me a map and a compass on ya. Make me show them say saltfish no come from on ya. The fish they come a far way. They bring him all the way from Norway. Hey, I could the rest of them a try for trick, cause that can't be me national dish a eternal fire. And dirty Babylon you a go get bruised. Me a want them fire. I said they just can't win, you're going lose. Chronixx I want them move, yeah. I beg you pack up and go. Me I tell you move, yeah. I beg you move, quick, pack up and go. Tell me why every time you hear about Africa are shackles and chains. Tell me why you try to corrupt the liquor Rasta man brain. And if you tell the youth them say Africa exists long before the middle passage. Me come to tell you get to use them for wise, because Babylon a brainwash the masses a fire. Dirty Babylon you a go get bruised. We a want them fire. I said they just can't win, you want lose. We a want them.
My hand, oh child, and walk through this world with my hand, oh child, and walk through this world with every day is the same old cry. Every day we just fuss and fight. And like to know what's going on down here. Oh child, take my hand, oh child, and walk through this world with this world with They took I and I from Africa and bring I and I in through this world we die. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world we die. Tired to see children dying. I'm tired to see mothers crying. They took iron knife from Africa and bring iron knife in bondage. Please take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world we die. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world we die. Take it away, take it away. Oh, Jah, take away, yeah, from this land of bondage. Jah, take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world we die. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world we die. Tired to see children dying, tired to hear mothers crying. They took iron knife from Africa and bring iron knife in bondage. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world we die. Take my hand, oh Jah, walk through this world we die. Free me up, oh Jah. I beg you, free me up, oh Jah. I'd like to go back to Africa, so take my hand, oh Jah. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world we die. Bobby, 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 run, so run. Wicked Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Wicked Babylon, you're gonna reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. You set up your evil system to work the people for nothing and think you will get away. But someday you'll have to pay. You give benefits to a few to enforce your point of view. But tell me what you gonna do when the tables turn on you. Wicked Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Wicked Babylon, you gonna reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. You unconscionable plutocrats, you live in the life of diplomats. You watch the people struggle with the little that they got. You legislate your law just to safeguard your outlaws who rob and rape and plunder the hard-working sufferers. Wicked Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Wicked Babylon, you're gonna reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. As sure as the sun shines, up beyond the skies, those whom you victimize get stronger and wise. The fire is blazing while the tables are turning. Generations are learning. Now open up their eyes. Keep Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Say we keep Babylon, you're bound to reap what you sow.
stepping towards progress. Most high John mighty fortress. Every ghetto youth have the fullness. Some better know this. Ghetto youth stepping towards progress. Most high Selassie mighty fortress. Every ghetto youth have the fullness. Make the music matter why I'm a youth. Hail Rastafari get glad I'm a youth. If you worship the devil your life sad I'm a youth. And I your mother and your father I'm a youth. Rock and cocaine I eat a mother of the youth. Politicians come and backstab all the youths. Babylon them come and bother all the youths. Now you focus on the big picture I'm a youth. Them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Most high Jai's almighty fortress. Every ghetto youth possess the fullness. Them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Most high Jai's the mighty fortress. Every ghetto youth know the fullness. Microchip come in for control them now. Politicians only come for hold them down. Devil a seek the people soul them now. The powers of Selassie overthrow them now. God bless you from the day you were born. No matter how the wicked man are gone. Now watch the wicked works them are profound. No matter how you see society come and scan them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. King Selassie I almighty fortress. Every ghetto youth know the fullness. Them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Emperor Selassie mighty fortress. Every ghetto youth know the fullness. Thought we couldn't make it, but look at us now. We come for take it and it means anyhow. No for them a fake it, no for them a yow. Them separate down, but they keep on trying. Yet it seems so wow. Because the system is a vampire. Too much crime and violence, disobedience, and no juvenile delinquents. I just wanna know for sure. When are we gonna stop pleasing our early desire? Segregation, separation, miseducation. It's a devastation, look at the nation. Now pray for you all. We're gonna liberate the poor African people. Yeah, we're all one people. Yeah, one love my people. Yeah, we got to unite as a people. Yes, my black African people. Yeah, we're all one people. Yeah, one love my people. Yeah, we got to unite as a people. Our dreams being shattered. Wow. Our people being scattered. We were chastised and being battered. And if we die, it really doesn't matter. The bloods of the slaves, cause it's like water, there's no love for the slave. They even rape your daughter, kill your sons, auction you for millions of dollars. That's the words of the white collar. African people, yeah, Ethiopian people, yeah, we are all black people, yeah, one love my people, reaching out to all the African people, yeah, Ethiopian people, yeah, one love black people, oh, we are Rastaman people, too much crime and violence, disobedience, and no juvenile delinquents. I just wanna know for sure. When are we gonna stop pleasing our early desire? Segregation, separation, miseducation. It's a devastation, look at the nation. Now pray for you all. We're gonna liberate the poor. The children are crying, dying. Over and over they keep on trying. Yet it seems so wow. Because I'm here for each and every one. Me I tell you say right over wrong, you see. I'm here temporarily Selassie, the conquering lion, big up every black man and black woman. So you don't know, sir, I equal rights and justice. Away, yo, I just the powers who me a super one good, a one good. The powers who me a super one good, a one good. I just the powers who me a super one good, a one good. Me love the gift to you, the master wood. I just the powers who me a super one good, a one good. The powers who me a super one good, a one. I just the powers who me a super one good, a one. Black woman a one good. When me sing, yo, I eat this, a big things go out. I eat this, see then get my out.
I eat this, a big things bust out. Righteousness me up with I eat this, a big things bust out. I eat this, Babylon get bust out. I eat this, a big things bust out. Tickle marijuana, I'ma smoke. Tell them say hell, blood down the jail. Why than a sleep, we have got block off the rail. Long time, they get so youths, we get bail. Marcus Garvey star right now for sale. Tell them say righteousness have to prevail. Black woman fresh and she never get stale. Leave me to the phone, them a write me to the mail. Tell me you're the male and say you're the female. Off of your eyes, take off the veil. Because the black people, them from up every deal. My bright like the sun and Kalonji no pale. Stop the picnic, look how you put them up a wheel. So I say you're the head, man Babylon and the tail. Yeah, the Rasta man and them quail. Exhale, yo, I got the power to be a superborn. Good have one, good. The power to be a superborn. I got the power to be a one, good have one, good. Yo, they get a girl a one, good. What I'm saying, I hate this, a big things about out. Hate this, me a gun, then fresh out. I hate this, a big things about out. Judgment, yeah, got to judge. Hey, once again, praises and thanks again. Them attack, but the righteousness answer them. Rastafari, send me off to conquer them. Inna the lake of fire, me a anchor them. Them a trouble on the woman, me a dance again. I forgive her the something, and I'm a pants again. I for bring the black woman, and I'm a rant again. Yo, them a sprout, them a bunch again. Try to Europe, Paris, and France again. Yo, push up your hands again now. The powers of me should have one, good have one, good. The powers of me should have one, good have one, good. The powers of me should have one. Yo, the powers of me should have, yo, I want good. I eat this, a big thing bust out. Eat this, eat and get bust out. Eat this, a big thing bust out. Righteousness, me a fish out.
Put your lighters in the air, lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like a whistle, heart clean like a liquor whistle. Hey, me and my brother them good. Me never grudge Teflon. Family me deal with me bun, yes man. In a interview them ask enough question. Them want know where me born and where me come from. Tell them De La Vega same time. They saw me born right on the train line. 10.5 so Chronixx a game time. And if a brother and a half, me say me we share mine with them. Share it like a good news. Cause me love my family like a cook food. Late in the hours of night we cook food. Every plate of it full up of rice and good stew. Hey, let me see some lighter. From your nose say you feel alright. I miss a love defeat all evil. That song you have to clean out people. Can you hear me when I say put your lighters in the air, lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like a whistle, heart clean like a liquor whistle. Hey, clean like a whistle, oh, clean like a liquor whistle. Hey, easy no shades, now watch no face daddy bands. Clean like a whistle and a same so we born. You believe in me and everywhere me perform. People as say on the dear to me heart Zion. Kelly so don't say your words. Zinc fence them can't say we sound never work. Hey, Teflon all the crown them a yours. Couldn't help but fi write it down in a words. Yeah, because me certain who no not trade me fi none of the pearl them. Enough people a walk on road in a clean clothes, but them hearty want detergent. Hey, so make me see some lighter. If you know so you feel alright. I miss a love defeat all evil. That song you have to clean out people. Can you hear me when I say put your lighters in the air, lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like a whistle, heart clean like a liquor whistle. Clean like a whistle, I have this mercy. Hey, I'm Mr. Old Slave Driver. Time is catching up on you. Old Slave Driver, I know your sins them are on. So carry we go home, I bring the brown east. Welcome on a Rasta man. A Rasta no live on no Capleton. Oh you mean? Carry we go home. Oh you mean? As if we settle and cease. Welcome on a Rasta man. A A Rasta no live on no capital land. Well, Lord America a capital and the whole of Jamaica a capital and a long time them want trick the Rasta man. Like them no know say that man a real African. You think me no member King Ferdinand and thief in Columbus have a golden plan. Them make a wrong turn and end up in Caribbean. One Rasta then a side kill no Indian. And turn paradise in a plantation and bring cross one ship load of African. Now here comes the thief in Queen from England. Now she come well and Henry Maga. Century part of a century full of separation. And after 400 years me send a reparation. I know them want to kill me with the taxation. But I beg you please take me to the motherland. I beg you carry me go home. I bring me from the east. Come on a Rasta man. A Rasta no live on no capital land. Coulda never carry me go home. I said we settle and seize. Come on a Rasta man. A Rasta no live on no capital land. Watch them pan it up at the hill and looking at them play how we properly feel. Because downtown have shot off the kill. Them tell the tourists if we stop on the grill. So come make we start a new chapter. We not escape on the land where them capture. And me say Africa fi all to Rasta. I so go tell the and screw plus factor. Say carry we go home. I bring we run a east well. Come on a Rasta man. A Rasta no live on no capital land. Go tell them that and carry we go home. I said we settle and seize way. Yeah man a Rasta man. I'm in a live on no capital. Live on no capital. Follow me now. That every garden a capital and me tell you short to say that a capital and
take me there, Lord. Yes, I hear of a place where nobody lies. I hear of a place where nobody dies. So take me there, this place called paradise. Take me there, where everything is nice. Oh, sweet Beulah land, holy place, Mount Zion, Beulah land, my soul is calling thee. Oh, I hear of somewhere where the ancients dwell. Yes, I hear of a place where everything is well. Oh, Beulah land, holy mount like Zion, Beulah land, my soul is calling thee. Oh, Beulah land, holy mount of Zion, Beulah land, my soul is chanting thee. Oh, at this point in time, when every conscious mind is trying to find a place of rest, it's imperative for me to find a way to cut free from this land of pain and misery. So I flee to Beulah land, holy mount of Zion, Beulah land, my soul is calling me. Oh, yeah. I hear of a place.
Next application for your full attention.
Bless my soul, no child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go thy way, so that I never
This road seems never ending. Be my light so I might find the way that's narrow and winding. Help me hold my faith and lead me to thy gate. Let me enter in your pavilion of righteousness. Bless my soul, oh child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go thy way, so that I will never stray from thee, no way. I will sing of mercy and judgment unto thee, O Lord, and I will walk along thy path with a perfect heart. I will set no evil thing before my eyes, and I will give thee praise with each day I rise, and I will never get weary as long as you are here with me. God, I will walk uprightly, sing unto you with honor and glory. Bless my soul, oh child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go thy way, so that I will never stray from thee, no way. Bless my soul, oh Father God, I pray. Oh yeah, bless my soul as I journey on through life.
Now look from when them say them I go help with. From way back then, but they're just not interested. So many youths in the penitentiary. Crime and violence are lead to cemetery. Guns and bombs in the 21st century. World leaders giving a bad influence, yes. War and strife and mash up the country. Sell out everything and then they crash the currency, yeah. It's gonna cause a revolution. It's gonna cause a revolution. Only love is the solution. Only love is the solution. You celebrated for a potion. Let's go in the ocean. Blood I go run like lotion. Blood I go run like lotion. The Babylon system ain't doing no good. Work every day but still we can't buy no food. Treat them bad, they go to war with a vengeance. Look how many young girls get pregnant. Taxpayers pay whether it's rainy or sunny. Still the country train, what did you do with the money? And I just see my rights, you won't come touch this. But you know that give me no justice. It's gonna cause a revolution. It's gonna cause a revolution. Because I love is the solution. Only love is the solution. So celebrating for a potion. Let's go in the ocean. Let us go run like lotion. Let us go run like lotion. We work so hard, we're the poor and needy. Oh my Lord, just not easy, eh? Go to school, learn to read, my children. You fight us out, how can we feed our children? We speak the truth, so you're just not liking us. You steal the fruits, now you run come hyping up. Righteousness kill the people. Cause every day Babylon kill the people. It's gonna cause a revolution. It's gonna cause a revolution. Only love is the solution. Only love is the solution. You see the fighting for a potion. The last guy in the ocean. Let them go run like lotion. Let them go run like Now look from when them said them are go help with. Way back there, but they're just
Kalonji said, the mission accomplished, so said, so done. Mission accomplished, Babylon a mash down. Mission accomplished, so said, so done. The mission accomplished, Babylon a mash down. The man a name revenge. But now the Babylonian no revenge. They got the Ethiopian no revenge. Marijuana me still a smoking on. Rastafari name me a promoting and no revenge. But now the Babylonian no revenge. They got the Ethiopian no revenge. Marijuana me still a smoking on. Emmanuel name me a promoting and boom. Kalonji burn them out to ashes on. Cause I'm seeing me people in the middle passage on. Fire take them then now them a go manage and black people born. Billy Callum them a Vatican. White House I see the black house attacking. All of them aeroplane the youth them start hijacking. Take with them ship out harbor when them docking. Revolution the road them all a blocking. But the tabernacle youth start to flacky. And the youth them in the ghetto was red foot a boy lacking. Now them sorry and them just now go crashing. And them youth support the woman just do it bossy. And Rastafari don't will ever open anytime he go knocky. And what the boy degree you know for lucky. And innocent your blood stop splashing. Before you eat your food your hands you can wash it. After fire me a dash it. Me a burn them in no business if them cash it. Yeah, revenge. But now the Babylonian revenge. Me set to big up the Ethiopian revenge. Can't tell me a smoky and repatriation promoting. Yeah, revenge. But now the Babylonian revenge. Black people Ethiopian revenge. So that's the name me a promoting. Marijuana still a smoky and yo, music, yo, keep drumming too. I keep singing and humming too. Sure over it, so war it will be coming to you. Kill the youth, police warrior, the fuck you think you're running to? Politician, yeah, we have done him too. Prime Minister Rastafari, fire burn him too. The innocent youth, blood a run it. Rasta give the Sabbath, tell them so come on it. Them crack and cocaine, me no want none of it. Me come from murder Babylon, for the fun of it to revenge. But not the Babylonian, no revenge. Black people Ethiopian, revenge. Rastafari and promoting. Yo, the ganja me a smoky and no revenge. But not the Babylonian, no revenge. Selassie Ethiopian, revenge. Marijuana me still a smoky and righteousness me a promoting. Yo, see them taking full charge of the situation. Set the trend, them no love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. None for them want to love me. Set the trend, them no love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. None for them want to love me. Bad bush, pull them up. No people bad mind, pull them up. No fit chat them, love it look. No for them no love them. Criticize the cause they spell. No for them no wish so well. Talk about them want to hit. Bad mind people only want to get up to the top now. Them see tablets one drop down. What am I gonna do if stop this? Gonna go one side and watch this. Implant a tree, good fruit coming from a good root. He made the poor a good youth. Put your money to good youth. Set the trend, them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. None for them want to like the end. Set the trend, them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. None for them want to like the end. You thought the truth, them quarrel. Them coming like a crab in a barrel. Them know what's wanna see but them want till. They know you want drinks sorry. They can't just innovative. Some of them too outdated. Make comfy work, no argument. I deal you palaces and monuments. Then I mix up when a ground sting. Wanna clean up on the surrounding. You wanna be happy, you wanna be nice. Then I got to make that sacrifice. Pull the gear, no jump, no fence. Crime and violence don't make no sense. I make my life better. Them bad man whatsoever. Set the trend, them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. None for them want to like the end. Set the trend, them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. None for them want to like the end. Wake up, best not what we do. Ignorant people, I'm not with you. And the youth, them blessing, I'm mad you. Move from your swag, what do you? Time to see the world. Time to see my girl. The diamond and the pearl. Like the poor people from Earl. Rasta propose it. The devil can't oppose it. Wicked men don't know. This almighty Rasta grows. They're fighting but no longer. I gave me 100 stronger. Come in the drugs and numbers. Cast them as on. Set the trend. Them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. None for them want to like the end. Set the trend. Them not love it then. Them man know your friend. Check again and everybody love you. None for them want to like the end. Bad bush, pull them up. No people
Evil bad mind fool them up. Love it chat them, love it look. No for them no love me. Criticize the cause as well. No for them no wish so well. Talk about them want to hate. Bad mind people only want to hate.
Story of my life, ordinary person just like you. If you take a look inside, see the great things that people do. Changing lives day and night, but nothing I do ever makes the news. Still I have to do what's right, to the King of all kings all praise is due. Yesterday I was on a train, a little boy asked me my name. He said, sir, I've seen you before, tell me who are you? Said I am a legend that you never heard of before. I said I am a lion, but you never heard me roar. I am a hero that nobody celebrates. But if one person remembers my name, that means I made a change. I'm the man who cooks the food and feed the street people in the afternoon. I'm the lady with the broom, sweeping the halls of your son's preschool. I'm the soldier who's up all night, making sure everything's alright. And if you ask me, I'm quite fine, being an ordinary person doing what's right. Yesterday at the football game, a little girl asked me my name. She said, sir, I've seen you before, tell me who are you? I said I am a legend that you never heard of before. Said I am a lion, but you never heard me roar. I am a hero that nobody celebrates. But if one person remembers my name, that means on the ocean of fame I'm an unknown sailor. I'm the percussionist playing with the wailers, the one with the shaker, the mover and shaker. My name wasn't on the front of the paper, but me not cater. Much more than the worker is greater. Creation glorifies creator. So all deeds done are in the name of my maker. I am a legend that you probably never hear about. Words from the lion's mouth. I am a hero that nobody celebrates. But if one person remembers my name, give praise, that means I made a change. Him left country and never went back. Him come a town, come a lick, be a shot. Carry the 16 over him back. 45, him never left the gap. Now must see him super cat did a chat. Side police on the wheel and clap. La left no trace, conceal all tracks. Him cousin give my old desert and tell himself to wear that car in a minute. Now you have to shift up like a gearbox, then give my Glock. Tell himself to lock it, don't afraid for knock it. Country I hear sneer that without no warning. Early in the morning, country and the eagle pitch down like a garland. And when him pass a black flag and drop all in. Anyway you see him, tell him me call him. Me no want all the dirt and diamond socks. Country boy say him not take no tat and him a real boy from Kingston. Real boy from Kingston. Run the place, no turning back. Fire him a burn it, I go burn him back. Boy, him a real rude boy from Kingston. Real rude boy. Country boy came to town. Country boy came to town. Town. My day a country, I work like mule. When you tell her, say you want go school. Promising the boy, so she never hesitate. Now you a come a town and want fan full. Why, what you do with your ambition? Run come a town, want done gunman. Go on like you want run program. Have you ever seen a gunman without and land? Country. Listen to me clean, police I come discipline the scheme. All your cousin will give you Glock for keep. Sergeant I have something where whistling for keen. Love your life, never throw it down the drain. If you see your cousin down the lane, tell him Chronixx had something to say. You know country boy, same not that, not that, and in my real favorite. Stop quarreling, kill on the ground from Kingston. Run the place, no turning back. Fire in my bonnet, I go burning back. But in my real boy, real boy, real boy, yeah, real boy.
Out there lurking in the night, look out for strangers, 'cause they will surely take your life. You must remember, you gotta be careful of what movements they inside. You gotta be, you might not see some with your physical eyes, just know that they are there. You can feed them, so you should realize the enemy is near. Warmongers and vampires, pestilence and bloodsuckers, heartless and cold. They'll do anything to get your soul. Doesn't matter if you're young or old. Danger is out there lurking in the night. Look out for strangers, 'cause they will try to take your life. You must remember, you gotta be careful of all objects in your sight. You can't be careless, neither be reckless, and you can't leave your head back out. Gotta move conscious and be focused. Keep your enemies in doubt while they're planning to take your life. You have to find the means to survive. Stay away from the darkness, them wickedness and them badness. Yes, you got to tread into the light, 'cause danger is out there lurking in the night. Look out for strangers, 'cause they will try to take your life. Struggling for sure, they might struggle on every side. Only each other, the people them balling, enough of them no eat from morning. The poor hungry youths them yawning. Say Babylon they must get a beating. Yes, the poor people balling, enough of them no eat from morning. Messenjah I send out a warning. Don't press that you must get a beating. But it looks like destruction is the one destination for all of us mankind. And in my opinion, only divine intervention can save us in this time.